Boom. It's gonna probably be the first video for the Studio Prin. I don't know if it's gonna be Studio Prin or I'm gonna create a dedicated drone channel, but we've been waiting. First, just want everybody to know I ordered this so I can learn how to fly the drones. Boom. So this is what I've been flying on my Mavic Mini. It's been a blast. Got some good footage. I probably still take this up and show y'all side by side with it. But now that I have figured this out, I've registered all of my drones. I am about to take my drone pilot license, the Part 107 test. I went ahead and ordered it. And I've been so excited. Come on in closer, baby. Get what we got. We got the Mavic Pro 2, and I got it with the smart controller. And I'm excited about this because I'm so tired of fiddling with my phone. Every time it's time to take it up, I'm always having to fiddle with my phone, and it just becomes a headache and a hassle. So I went ahead and grabbed the smart controller with it. So I just want to let you know I pulled the plastic off it already. Not this one, but just so I can take a peek in it. Y'all know I had to take a peek in it. I'm just slide right here. Alright. Bluey. Yes, I said Bluey. But look upside down. Well, this had a nice little Mavic Pro seal. Come and zoom in on that real quick for me, baby. Get close. Had a nice little Mavic Pro seal that I peeled off from here. Go, and I folded it back in here because I just wanted to keep it. And look what we have. This is humongous. Oh my God, let me scale. Hold on, stay right there. Just for scale. Here is the Mavic Mini, right? The Mavic 2 Mini. Here's the Mavic Mini. Here's the smart controller for the Mavic Pro 2. If I set it on top of there, look at that. It's humongous. Look at that. That's how huge the controller is, and this is how small the Mavic Mini is. So let me set this out your way real quick. And just so you can get an idea, here is the Mavic Mini's controller. Let me profile it out for you real quick. This is what it looks like profiled out. Of course, with the smartphone in there. So I guess you can say it's the same. Yeah, I would say it's the same kind of outline, but this still feels a little bit more massive because of the screen that's on there. Put this up. So this has a Android. It's Android. It's this operating system on here is Android. So let me go ahead and pop this out. It's my first time taking this off, y'all. Ooh. I don't know why this stuff feels so important to me, even after I take it off and knowing I'm gonna throw it away. Oh, I missed the whole trash can. Show me, maybe I missed the whole trash can. Pardon all the mess with. So, with the smart controller, the sticks are back here. You roll them out, you see them? Up under the antenna. And you look closer wrong, baby. So, all you do is flip out the antenna, and there are your sticks right here. So, I will reach in there. I want to take both of them out. Flip it over. And these have a male part. These have a male part versus the Mini having the female part. So you'll see what I mean. Here's a Mini stick. Here's a mel stick. See the difference? Get good focus on Mavic Pro smart controller, Mavic Mini controller. Okay, so let me put this up real quick. I've seen a lot of those questions too. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible. And let's get these sticks on here. We're not gonna do a complete full setup, but I am gonna at least get the sticks on here. It feels good. Everybody wants me to cut it on. It looks like a speaker. No, it's a little joystick. Oh yeah, it's a little joystick. It's real tactile too. I wonder, oh, so here are some programmable buttons on the back. Back here, programmable button. I see the nice speaker back here. Joysticks. So here is the record button for the camera. Here is the picture button for the camera. So this is the gimbal's left, right, you know, pan up and down. This controls the aperture. Or you can do a tip left and right. And let's do a power on real quick. Hold on, excuse me, let me wipe the cranks off of there. Quick little power on. Same way you cut on any other controller. Double tap, 1, 2. And you get the one thing about, the selling point about this DJI controller is how bright it is in the sun. So we got English. Y'all give me you see the pause button over there? Is it recording? All right, so we back. I'm just gonna stop right here at this screen. This is basically where you log into your DJI account. I'm not gonna log in or whatever. I just want to show everything. So just gonna stop here. We'll power down here. Boom, gonna charge it later. Off. It vibrates too. It's nice and heavy, like it feels really heavy. Pull out the drone. And this is the Pro. The reason why I didn't get the Mavic 2 zoom is because the camera, it just felt like it was El Cheapo on the camera. It's about $300 cheaper than this. This one has the full D-Log video that I can record in. And of course, with me getting ready to create a full-scale production company, I wanted the best available recording format in my price range. So let me do another comparison to that again. So again, here is the Mavic Mini. Tap so you can get it focus. It's a Mavic Mini, and it's the Mavic 2. You see the profiles of them. I'll unfold this just so you can kind of get a gist of how. And this is really light. Feels maybe like a toy sometimes, but it's definitely not a toy. This thing is powerful. It's definitely not a toy. You can hand land it. As you can see, I got my FAA number on the side of it. So it's definitely not a toy. Let's get this out. And let me give you the fold out profile on this one. It's the big boy one. Boom. And there you go. You see the difference. It looks like one of them had a baby. And the Mavic Air 2 is in between this one and that one. So it's just a little bit bigger than this one, a little bit smaller than this one. The reason why I opted for this one, again, for my professional endeavors, and it has the front-facing sensors, it has the top sensors, it has the side sensors on each side, it has the rear sensor, and it has the bottom sensor and back sensor. So this is the only one that has sensors all the way around. If I'm not mistaken, The Air 2 doesn't have sensors all the way around. Even though the Air 2 shoots in 4K 60 frames per second, and this one don't, I'm pretty sure they're gonna upgrade the software coming soon. But I don't need 4K 60 at this moment if I want from this guy. So just want to show that I haven't had the propeller set on. Nice little area. I want to drop my FAA number. It's the battery, nice and heavy, durable battery, and it snaps right in. Yep. Quite a few sensors. So here's the light. Here's the LED lights. Downward facing sensor. There's another infrared sensor, and here's the humongous